Hi everyone, let's talk about the recent US tariffs on Canada and what that means for you, whether you're a homeowner, a potential home buyer, or trying to navigate this economic shift. There's a lot of noise out there. I want to be able to break it down for you, simplify it, and give you what really matters for your financial future. So what happened? The US implemented tariffs on Canada effective for February 4th. 25% tariffs on non-energy products like cars and machinery, and 10% on energy exports like oil. So what did Canada do? In response to this, they added another 25% tariffs on the US imports. And that starts with $30 billion now and another $125 billion in another 3 weeks. This means rising costs, economic slowdown, and uncertainty in some key industries. So what is the economic impact? Canada's economy could slow down by 2% in 2025. Unemployment could rise to 8% as businesses navigate our new norm. And inflation may tick up, making everyday goods a little bit more expensive than where they're at right now. But here's where it gets interesting, because the Bank of Canada is expecting to cut interest rates to help manage the slowdown. So how does this affect you in the housing market? The housing market was on its way to recovery, but trade uncertainties may slow it down for a short time being. The good news right now is that lower mortgage rates are coming. So what does this mean for you? Rates are expected to drop throughout 2025. The Bank of Canada could lower its policy rate by 1.5%. The bank rate may fall up to 1%, reducing borrowing costs. And if you are one of the 1.2 million mortgages coming up for renewal in Canada, this is the perfect time where bad news is good news for you with your current rates. You can take advantage of lower rates and look at a mortgage product to be able to help you save thousands of dollars on your next renewal term. If you're coming up for renewal in the next 2 years, it's important to look at strategies today to help position what type of mortgage product and rate that you're going to be looking at in the next coming months or next year. Now, if you're on the sidelines and haven't purchased a home yet, this is a great time to relook at your pre-approval with rates declining, more inventory out in the market space, and we're going to see that people want to stay in Canada, they want to thrive, they want to be able to build a home in our country. The demand on the market is going to get even more demanding with the lack of inventory out there, and rates are coming down, and we know when rates come down, competition gets fierce once again. So here's my advice to you. Stay calm and informed. Big headlines create chaos, and it's time when you look at this that we create calm waters and clarity to give you perspective so that you can make positive financial decisions for yourself and your family. Keep an eye on the interest rates. Lower rates could mean better mortgage opportunities and solutions for you. And if you're looking to buy a home, get pre-approved today. Relook at that pre-approval you had, because monitoring interest rates can help you take advantage of lower interest rates as we navigate this new economic norm that we have now in Canada and give you opportunities of home ownership in Canada today. We are in a moment of change, but calmer times will prevail. The key is knowing how to position yourself to take advantage of opportunities when they come. If you have any questions at all on mortgages, the economy, inflation, your financial future, and how this looks given the new announcements that we've had over the weekend, by all means, reach out to myself and my team. We're to help you navigate this and give you a path of clarity and calmness and direction and financial success for yourself and your families as we navigate these times together. I'm a proud Canadian and have for many years have seen very different economic conditions. But one thing in Canada is we come together united as a community, and we are able to foster through different economic times to be able to be successful and thrive in our country. Please make sure you reach out. We want to make sure you're on a path of financial success and solutions for your mortgage and your financing, not only in 2025, but beyond. Stay tuned for more updates as I receive information on the news and be able to break that down for you to give you more clarity, more calmness, and more perspective for your financial recovery.